Depends on how to get this. First, go to Play Store. Search this. Search. Press this. Then click this install. Install. Click. Then enable touchpad. Then enable this touchpad. Then when you enable it, click this. Click customize this. Then you can set a icon view. So this is my icon. Then open. So there. I pick the second one. Pick anyone. So I'm gonna pick the glass. Right side. So the touchpad. There. And table block it. Just table block it. Add me. Nice. Right there. Joker. So just add me. Then we put it over there. Yes, sorry for windy because I'm using a camera. So because I'm bug, so I play this game. So this one. This is we will add this one, this girl. This is a username. Don't add this girl. She's my sister. So just add this username. Maybe I don't do it. Oh, this is Salina. So okay, I'll do this. Oh, wait. Then I use the touchpad. Okay, this girl. Okay. So now, who wants to finish this tower with me? Erase. Erase. Yes. Wait, I'm dragging. Sorry guys. Let's go. So second powers. Okay guys, hindi na pala ako. Huwag pala ako mag-English. Sige. Sige na, huwag na kayo maggalit. Sige, tapusin ko na lang itong power. Di naman ako magiging admin. I-crash. Oh my god, kailangan natin ng 350 manya. So, tapusin na lang natin ito. Yes, bilis natin ha. Wait, naglag. Naglag eh. Yan. Sir, this for lagging mo. For lagging up. Wait. Lang. Ano to? Ano naman ito? Ano eh. Wait, Saan na naman ako napunta? Di, ano yun? Sige, nababalikan natin yun. Pero babalikan ko na yun. Forgetting that. Tapos, yes. Come to me. Come to me. Wala ko sa saglit na akong tawid. Hello. Hindi ko makita. Tabi mo. Gusto ko may dinig. Wala akong tawid. Ako na TV. Bye guys, upload ko na lang to mamaya guys. Bye guys, upload ko na lang to mamaya. Bye.